Boys and girls, good morning to all and my friends. Today we will continue example number 3rd, that is write the following quadratic equations in the form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 and write the values of a comma b comma c for each equations. Then it is a general form, boys. Here it is a general form and we have to write this equation in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, and then we have to write the values of a, b and c here. Therefore see this equation here first. Here 2y is equal to 10 minus y square. Therefore y, we have to first here y square, here minus y square becomes here plus y square, here plus 2y here, and minus plus 10 becomes here minus 10 and is equal to 0. here अब यहाँ पर हमने क्या किया, ये देखिए माइनस वाई स्क्वायर है, इधर आने के बाद इधर प्लस वाई स्क्वायर, ये प्लस 2y, ये माइनस 2y, माइनस 10, इधर आने के बाद क्या हुआ minus 10 is equal to 0. Okay, now we compare this equation. We compare this equation with standard form, or ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. We have to compare this equation with this form. Now see what will be the value of a. Here there is no coefficient, therefore a is equal to 1, comma, here is b is equal to 2, comma, and c is equal to minus 10. C is equal to minus 10. It is the answer of this first equation. Now we will continue the second equation or second example for this. X minus 1 bracket square. See the second example. X minus 1 bracket square is equal to 2x plus 3 is equal to 2x plus 3. Okay, this is not in the form of a quadratic equation, therefore we have to convert it into general form, and then we have to write the values of a comma b comma c. Okay, here x minus 1 bracket square, how to do it now? I will do here a rough work. You have to do the rough work at the back side of your answer paper. Now see here, x minus 1 bracket square, that is, it means that x minus 1 into x minus 1. Okay, now we have to multiply these two, this bracket here, x minus 1 into x minus 1. See here, how to multiply? You have to multiply this x into x, that is x square. This sign comes here and you have to multiply in this way. X into 1, that is x. Here this sign comes here, you have to multiply now this x into 1, that is x, and minus minus becomes plus, and 1 into 1, that is 1 here. Now we will add it. X square minus 1x minus 1x. How many x? Minus 2x, and this plus 1. For this we will write here, this here, x square minus 2x plus 1. It is the format of this here. Is equal to what is here? Is equal to 2x plus 3. Now x square, here minus 2x, this minus plus 2x becomes here minus 2x plus 1, and this plus 3 becomes here minus 3 is equal to 0. Now see here, x square minus 2x is minus 4x plus 1 minus 3 is equal to minus 2 is equal to 0. It is the standard form of the quadratic equation, and you have to write the values of a comma b comma c. What will be the values of a comma b comma c? See here, we will write here, compare this equation. Compare this equation with the standard form or a general form. What is the standard form of the quadratic equation? The standard form of the quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Okay. Now we will write here, compare the equation here. Which equation? Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. We have to compare this equation with here. A, what is the value of a? Here is no coefficient, therefore a is equal to 1, comma, here it is b here, and what is the coefficient of x here? Minus 4, therefore b is equal to minus 4, comma, c is equal to c here, minus 2. C is equal to minus 2. In this way, it is the example number 2nd, and we will see the example number 3rd now. See here, example number 3rd is x square plus 5x. X square plus 5x is equal to minus in a bracket 3 minus x. It is equation number 3rd, and we have to convert it. In the general form, and we have to write the values of a comma b comma c. Okay, see here, x square plus 5x remain as it is equal to minus, we have to multiply this minus with the numbers in a bracket. Okay, minus, and here is a plus, minus plus minus 3 minus minus plus x. Take the same terms near here. Here x square plus 5x, this plus x becomes here minus x, and minus 3 becomes here plus 3 is equal to 0. Now see, okay, x square plus 5x minus x is equal to how many? 4x minus plus 4x here, because the greater number is plus here, plus 3 is equal to 0. And we will write here, compare this equation with standard form, that is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. It is a standard form, and we will write the values here. Here is a coefficient 1, therefore a is equal to 1, comma, b, what is the value of b here? Plus 4, b is equal to 4, comma, c is equal to 3. It is the equation number 3rd or problem number 3rd. Very simple method. You have to convert it into the general form and then write you the values of a, b and c. Okay, now we will see the 4th example now, and 4th example is 3m square. 4th example, right? 4th example is 3m square is equal to 2m square minus 9. 2m square minus 9. It is the 4th equation. And yesterday, in the last video, we have seen the forms of the quadratic equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This is the first form. Next form is ax square plus bx is equal to 0. Ax square plus c is equal to 0. These are the forms of the quadratic equation. Now we will see here take the equal terms near. 3m square, this plus 2m square becomes here minus 2m square, and minus 9 becomes here plus 9 is equal to 0. Very simple. Now see here, 3m square minus 2m square, okay, here m square only, plus 9 is equal to 0. Here the middle term is not here. We will take the middle term in this way, m square plus 0m, okay, plus 9 is equal to 0. Okay, now we will write here, compare the equation, compare this equation with, compare this equation with the standard form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. It is the standard form, and here a here is a 1, a is equal to 1, comma b is equal to 0, comma c is equal to 9. In this way, if there is no term, middle term or third term, you will take the 0 m, or here if third term is not there, then you will take here 0. In this way, we have completed the example number 3rd. Then we will take the example number 5 now. P in a bracket. Example number 5. 5th example, see. Example number 5 is P in bracket. P in bracket 3 plus 6p. 3 plus 6p is equal to minus 5. Minus 5. Okay. Now see. Here p is out of the bracket. You have to multiply by 2 to each term of the bracket. Therefore, p into 3, that is 3p, plus 6p into p, that is 6p square, and minus 5 becomes here plus 5 and is equal to 0. At first, we have to take 6p square. 6p square, middle term will be 3p, and plus 5 is equal to 0. We will write here, compare this equation with, compare this equation with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. And we will write the values of a, b and c here. What will be the value of a? A is equal to 6, comma b is equal to 3, comma c is equal to 5. Finish. It is the answer of example number 5. You see what I am doing. हर एक एग्जाम्पल दिल से, ख्याल से अच्छा सॉल्व कीजिए, और आंसर भी अच्छा लिखिए आखिरी में. और we will go to the example number 6 here. 6th example is here. I will write here the 6th example. Example number 6. X square minus 9. X square minus 9 is equal to 13. Is equal to 13. It is the last example, and we will write the answer of this equation. Very simple. This plus 13 goes to RHS and it becomes minus. 13 is a plus here and it will becomes minus here. Therefore, x square minus 9 minus 13 is equal to 0. Now, this x square minus 9 minus 13 is minus 22, okay, is equal to 0. Here is also not a middle term. Therefore, take 0x here the middle term. Therefore, x square minus or plus 0x minus 22 is equal to 0. It is the standard form of the quadratic equation. Now, we will write here, compare this equation. Compare the equation with standard form. With standard form, what is the standard form? ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. It is the standard form, and we will write the values here. A, here is no coefficient, therefore a is equal to 1, comma b is equal to 0, comma c is equal to minus 20. Therefore, boys and girls, my friends, we have completed the example number 3rd. Okay. Now, we will take example number 4. And example number 4 is determine whether the values given against each of the quadratic equations are the roots of the quadratic equation or not. You have to write the first here, determine whether the values given against each of the quadratic equations are the roots of the quadratic equation or not, in this way. And we will write the first equation, first quadratic equation. See here, first equation is x square plus 4x, x square plus 4x minus 5 is equal to 0. It is a equation, and the values of equation x is equal to 1 comma minus 1. Now here heading is that the values of x given against the equation are the roots or not. How to find? See here. If I will put x is equal to 1 in the equation, then at that time LHS, if LHS is equal to RHS, then you will write x is equal to 1 is a root of given quadratic equation. Okay. Now, if I will put x is equal to 1 in the equation, then if RHS is not equal to LHS or LHS is not equal to RHS, then we will write x is equal to 1 is not the root of quadratic equation. It is the method. Okay. Now we will continue. We will put or substitute here in the answer. Put x is equal to 1 in LHS, and LHS is equal to, see here, this is the equation, and this part is LHS and this part is RHS in this. Now we will write here LHS x square plus 4x minus 5. It is a LHS, and we will put the value of x in this. Now value of x is 1, therefore 1 square plus 4. Here is a sign of multiplication, multiply 1 and minus 5. Now see, 1 square is 1 plus 4 into 1, that is 4 and minus 5. Okay. Now see, 1 plus 4, that is 5, and this minus 5, and 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. Now see, it is a LHS, and what is the RHS? Here RHS is 0 and LHS is also 0. Therefore we will write here LHS is equal to RHS. Okay, LHS is equal to RHS आ गया. Now we will write here x is equal to 1. Okay, x is equal to 1 is the root of the given equation, is the root of given quadratic equation. In this way we will complete here. Now we will put the value of x as -1. Okay, see here. Take the LHS first. Put x is equal to -1 in the equation. X is equal to -1. And equation is here x square. Right here LHS is equal to x square plus 4x minus 5. It is a LHS. Okay. Now we will put the value of x as a -1. Therefore is equal to write -1 square here plus 4 into -1 and this -5. Very simple activities are here. -1 square is 1. This plus into minus become minus, and 4 into 1 that is a 4. This plus minus and 4 into 1 is 4, and here -5. Now is equal to this 1 -4 -5, that is -9. And 1 minus 9 is equal to -8. Okay, it is the ALHS. Now observe, RHS is 0. Now LHS is equal to RHS. Is it correct? No, it is not correct. Therefore, we will write here LHS is not equal to RHS. LHS is not equal to RHS. In this way, we will write here, therefore, x is equal to -1 is not the root of quadratic equation. Is not the root of quadratic equation. In this way, friend, it is the first example of example number 4. We will continue the second examples here. 2m square minus 5m. 2m square minus 5m. 2m square minus 5m is equal to 0. It is the equation. Now see here, m is equal to values of m are 2, 5 by 2. 2, 5 by 2. In this way, these are the two equations here, two values of m, and we have to tally the value of m are the roots or not. Okay, this is LHS and this is a RHS. This parts here, it is LHS, LHS, and it is a RHS. The method or a step you have know. If we put the value of m is equal to 2 and LHS becomes here RHS, at that time you will write m is equal to 2 is the root of given quadratic equation. Okay. Right here we will put m is equal to 2 in the LHS. Now we will write here LHS is here 2m square minus 5m. It is LHS. And what is the value of m? m is equal to 2. Okay. 2 into, see here is a sign of multiplication. 2 into 2 square, value of m is 2. And here m square, that is 2 square, minus 5 into m. Okay. what is the value of m here? 2. In this way. Now we will write here 2 into 2 square is 4. Here minus 5 into 2, that is 10. 2 into 4, that is 8. And here 8, this minus 10. And 8 minus 10 is equal to minus 2. Now see the LHS and RHS. It is a LHS and it is a RHS. Therefore, LHS and RHS are equal? No, these are not equal. Therefore, LHS is not equal to RHS. And here we will write here the last answer. Therefore, m is equal to 2. Okay, m is equal to 2 is not. Here we will write is not a root of the given quadratic equation. In this way, it is the first value we have put here, and the second value is 5 by 2. Okay, we will write here. Put here m is equal to 5 by 2 in LHS. Then I will write here LHS. I will write here LHS. What is the LHS here? 2m square minus 5m. It is a LHS. Now, what is the value of m? m is equal to 5 by 2. Here, 2 into 5 by 2 bracket square minus 5 into 5 by 2. Okay, very simple. Now see here, 2 into 5 by 2 bracket square. At that time, you have to take the square of numerator and denominator. Okay, 5 is the numerator and 5 square is 25 by 2 square is 4 minus 5 into 5, that is minus 25 by 2. Now this here 2 is a 4. A 2 से इसको कट किया, 2 is a 4. Therefore 25 by 2, here minus 25 by 2, and 25 by 2 minus 25 by 2 is equal to 0. Therefore, see, we will observe now this here RHS is 0 and here LHS is also 0. At that time we will write here LHS is equal to RHS and m is equal to 5 by 2. M is equal to 5 by 2 is the root of given quadratic equation. Okay, friend, it is the second example, and the fifth example is remain here. Fifth and sixth example is remain here. We will continue in the next video and continue your study. Don't take break. Okay, thank you very much.